Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover unsaved work in Affinity Studio. Now Affinity Studio actually auto-saves your work on this folder. I'll show you the exact location, but let's say I go ahead and create a new document right here and I add any image or make any changes. You'll see everything will be auto-saved in this auto-save file. So what you need to do is as soon as your Affinity Studio crashes, you just need to go ahead and relaunch Affinity Studio, and you'll actually get a prompt immediately once you launch it up that do you want to recover the unnamed or untitled document. Just go ahead and click on yes. And if it is a named document, then all you need to do, because Affinity may not prompt you at launch, you just open the original file. Because once you do that, the app will detect it. It will ask you if you want to load the more recent unsaved version. So you just choose that and it will automatically recover. But that is how to recover unsaved work in Affinity Studio.